to meet act number 3. Yeah! Would you please welcome up Emily Wilkinson?
Hello, my name's Emily. You know that. I'm a mum. I'm passionate about environmental and social justice, as are many of you, I'm sure. I work in a think tank, which means I do a lot of thinking in a building with glass walls and some token plastic plants with some great big fish staring at me. And while I've been thinking, I've come up with this great idea to address the gender pay gap. What if the people who perform the most tasks at the same time got paid the most? That's a good idea. I am an excellent multitasker, and we all need to be these days because life's so busy, we've got so much going on. Except for cats, because cats, they do 3 things. They sleep, they eat, and they shit, and they don't do them at the same time. They do them separately. Because we're all so busy, and in fact, the more importantly you are, the busier you have a right to be. So I was at work the other day and I bumped into our very glamorous Italian CEO, mother of 5, Francesca. And I asked her how she was, and she was like, "Oh, Emily, I'm so busy, I'm off to Geneva to the UN, so many high-level panels, then on to Davos and meeting important people. So very busy." And I was about to tell her what I had coming up over the next week, but she'd left the building. It seems like empathy is quite hard to fit into your agenda when you're multitasking. Yeah, we're all so busy, except for men. Men are excellent monotaskers. They do one thing, but they do it really fucking well. Take men at barbecues, for example. Barbecues, men are really good at using fire to cook things. To cook like burgers, sausages, vegetables for the vegetarians drenched in meat fat on the barbecue. They do it. They're really good at it. They really dominated that skill. It gets a lot of attention and a lot of respect. So they do really well. Yeah, I'm so good at multitasking. I'm good at multitasking, and the other day, for example, I find myself quite often typing on the toilet. Like, not actually typing on the toilet, but like sat on the toilet and typing on my laptop. Or I'm like on the train and I'm listening to Reasons to be Cheerful, and I'm trying to edit an article, and I get to my stop and I have no idea what either were about or why I'm feeling so upbeat. The other day I was running late for the school gates, and I'm on a conference call at the same time, and I'm trying to answer my other phone, my personal phone, and I'm running so fast I can't hear the conference chair asking kindly if those who are not speaking could kindly mute their microphones. Emily, please. And by the time I get to the school gates, Miss Brown's waiting for me, and she's been trying to call me 3 times, and she thinks she probably got the wrong number. Yeah, I'm so good at multitasking. I like to test myself. So if I'm at the station waiting for a train, I'll go and stand in a really big fuck off queue. I don't want to buy anything. I just want to see if I can still catch my train on time. Unfortunately, I have missed quite a few flights. But on the upside, it gives me time to have a gin and tonic, do a little bit of last minute shopping, and run to the departure gate for the next flight. And I'm very pleased to say I've never ever got to the airport 3 hours early. Ever. So I don't waste any of my precious time. So what if pay was linked to efficiency? Who would be the winners? Well, me, which would be excellent. And I think all working mums would get a massive pay rise. Well worth it. Glamorous Italian CEOs will probably get paid even more than they do already. But cats and men, I think, would, and particularly male cats, would get a reduction in pay. So that's my modest proposal for reducing the gender pay gap. It's been a great experience. Thank you very much.